you see people at the top that because they didn't have the right mindset, they're not really happy. You see a lot of people that are miserable, taking psychiatric drugs or getting wasted, drinking alcohol every day just because they can't stand their life and no success.
You're right. They haven't found their purpose. Once you find your purpose, that gives your life a sense of direction. And once your life has a sense of direction, that allows you to make decisions. We make decisions and our decisions make us. And so a lot of people are making decisions that does not represent the best that is in them. What is it you want to do with what you have? And how can we collaborate and ask the right strategic questions that you can pull out the information that allows you to be precise with the solution that you give birth to?
I'm thinking about the journey for me, right? I had been on this journey of entrepreneurship after being failure most of my life, didn't really believe in myself, and I didn't have the mindset. I didn't really believe in my ability to do something great. I really didn't. So that was like sleeping for most of my life. So I really started my journey at the age of 28, somewhere around the age of 28, my success journey to get out of a condition of being broke and not feeling that I was any special. It feels like it's been a long journey. 14 years doesn't get a third of the way of what you've been through, all right? At this age, why are you still so motivated and so hungry? Why are you still like pushing to impact people so much? And I'm telling you, because I want that for myself. I want to be able to get to the age of 78 and 80 and be half as good as you are right now, just half of it. And I'm going to be happy. What keeps you going doing these podcasts, these interviews, these videos, these stages, these seminars, all the stuff that you're doing that you don't stop? Can you tell me a little bit about that?
My mother used to say, live a life that will outlive you.
Legacy.
Yes, it's about legacy. You know, I have children. You know, I have 10 children. The Lord said, be fruitful and multiply. I took him seriously. Had 15 grandchildren and 4 great-grands. And so we are here. We were chosen. Socrates says, if a man's reach does not supersede his grasp, well, what are the heavens for? One of the people I mentored, Miles Monroe, said, live full and die empty. Rob the cemetery of your gifts, of your genius, of your abilities, of your talent, of your leadership, of your ideas.
Live a life that will outlive you.
Live you.
How do we get more people to wake up, Les?
Do the work that you're doing right now. You know, Jesus said, whosoever will, let him come. Work with the willing. Everybody won't hear us, but there are some people that are going to hear us. And what we got to do is do what we can do, and God will do what we can't do. Work with the willing.